everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video we have a Ulta haul and we have a Sephora haul. So let's get started. So I thought I would start off with the Ulta haul because actually these were gifts from my wonderful friend and beautiful family. So let's get started. So the first one I got is I got the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. This one was a gift from my brother and my beautiful sister-in-law. It was so nice of her, Adelia and Tony, to get this for me. I'm so excited. Actually, this is my first Ulta palette, Morphe palette. So let's take a look and see. I'm so excited. Oh, it's nicely wrapped. This is how it looks like. The front, I'll just show it so you can see it better, and then from the back you can see it has all the colors and it's got all the shade names at the back. It's got really nice packaging. Let's take a look inside. Oh wow, look how beautiful these colors are. Oh my goodness, you can do so many great looks with these. You can do a natural look, you can do going out look, you can do a very bold look, you can play with some fun colors and see and stuff like that. So let's swatch a few and see. Let me see here, I'll take the plastic. Let's swatch one of the blue ones, this one here. Look how pretty, oh my god, and I barely touched it. It's so fantastic. Try one of the greens. Look at that. Oh my god. I am so excited to play with this. So excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So excited. So the next palette that I got is this one's from Melissa Michelle. I'm going to put that over here. And this one was from my beautiful friend Lucy. This one's actually with a Ulta. And this one has beautiful eyeshadows, blush, highlight, and it even has a lip gloss. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's got a beautiful mirror inside. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let me see if we could. Let me just swatch. Look at that. Look how sparkly that is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This one here, so I'm so excited to try it out and do some amazing good looks with them. So excited. Oh my god, these palettes are so pretty. Oh. Okay, then the last one I got also from my beautiful friend Lucy, and I love Carli Bybel. So this one is her collaboration with Beige Cosmetics, and this is her Deluxe palette. I wasn't able to get my hands on the first one, but she said that some of the shades from the first one was in the Deluxe palette. So yeah, I'm so excited, and this is how it looks like. This is from the back. Show you from the back, and it has all the colors and from Carli. And yeah, let's take a look and see. Let's open it up. Look how pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's got highlights and beautiful colors. Oh my god, so pretty. Let's swatch a few. I'm going to swatch a few. This one here. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. These palettes are so beautiful, and I'm so excited to play with them. So excited. Thank you so much again to my beautiful friend Lucy, and to my brother Tony, and my beautiful sister-in-law Delia. That was very sweet of them. It was a nice surprise. And yeah, I'm so excited to be able to play and do such an amazing look with these palettes. So yay, I'm so excited. Okay, now for the Sephora haul. These I purchased on my own. So let's start off with some skincare I picked up. It's from Josie Maran. I love Josie Maran skincare. I use it all the time. I use the milk serum, I use the face butter, the oil, and I even like the finishing balm before the makeup. It just makes your skin so smooth and beautiful, so useful. Like I just find like every time I use it, I feel like I'm getting younger. It's such a beautiful product. And even though there's the oil, and I do have combination skin, a little bit dry on the side, more dry in the winter, but in the summer, my skin gets very oily. So even though I use the oils, it doesn't make my skin oily. So if you are oily skin, don't be afraid to use oils, because when you use your oils, it helps maintain some of the oils so you don't produce so many of your oils in your skin. So it kind of like just balances it out. And so yeah, I'm so excited. I just got this little travel size, so if I'm going away to my friend's cottage on the weekend, or if I'm going somewhere, at least I can take a little skincare with me, and I know I'm always ready and prepared. So yeah. And also, this one also was a gift from my husband. He got me the Tarte Rainforest Up the Sea Mist. You can use this as a primer, you can use this to set your makeup. I love this. This is like third bottle. So great, and I love the smell. And the mist is really, really nice. Right now it's really sealed, but it's really nice. The spray is so fantastic. I highly recommend it. And it even gives your skin that beautiful glow, and it's really, really nice. Next, I picked up the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Light Beige. Oh my god, I love this foundation. This is like my third bottle. This is like your skin, but better. And if I'm going somewhere and I know I want my makeup to last, this is the foundation I wear. It is so hydrating on the skin. It's like your skin, but better, but it has very good full coverage. It doesn't feel cakey. It doesn't settle into fine lines or your wrinkles or any of that. It doesn't settle into your pores. It's just one of my favorite, like, holy grail high-end foundation. It's really good. So if I'm going somewhere, I know I can count on this foundation. Like, it's fantastic. And if you know, you should give it a try. Go get a sample at Sephora. Give it a try and see how it is, because everybody's skin is different. What works for me may not work for you. But if you get a sample and you try it and you really like it, then you want to invest in the full size, and then you can go ahead and do that. So yeah, so that's pretty good. The next thing I got, which I was lucky, I got it on sale. This is the Tarte Clay plate. This is really nice because it has like eyeshadows, and it has contour and bronzer and everything all together. Like, oops, look how pretty. Oh my god, it smells like chocolate too. Has all the, like, see? Has contour shades and bronzer, and has beautiful eyeshadows. You can even do your brows. If you do your brows, you can have colors for that. This is like all in one. So if you're traveling or if you're going somewhere, this is all you need. You can do your brows, you can do your highlight in your inner corner, you can do your face with your bronzer and contour. It's really, really nice. Yeah. Really, really nice. And I know that they don't sell this anymore, but they do have a part 2, and I'm sure it's just as good. I'd like to pick up that and see how it is. And yeah, but I was lucky. I got it on sale, and it was just, I paid like, I think $30 for it, so I was really lucky. But I know they do have a part 2, so maybe go to Sephora, swatch it, see what you think. But Tarte products, they never they never disappoint. Okay, the next thing I picked up was this cute little set from Tacha. And this is the cleanser, and this one is a moisturizer and cleanser. It's Pore Perfecting. So this is the water cream, and also the, I think it's the deep cleanser. I never tried the cleanser, but I love the water cream. And sometimes in the daytime, like I'll use with the Josie Maran oil, I will put this before my makeup, just like a primer, because it really does minimize the pores, and it really soaks into the skin, and your makeup really glides nicely on it. But I was curious to try the cleanser, so I thought this cute little set would be good to give it a try and see. Yeah, so but the water cream, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Also, I picked up from Fenty Beauty, I got the Universal Lip Stick called Unsensored. Beautiful red, and I love red lipstick. I mean, look at the packaging. How cute is that? It's so pretty. It's the color, like, look, the doe foot applicator is a little bit funny, but the color, oh my god, you guys have to see this. Look at that. It's so pretty, and it's I heard good things about it, and so I'm excited to try it. I hope it got some lasting power. It's great to wear on Christmas. It's red, or Valentine's Day, or if you're going out, you have that beautiful pop of red. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to have. Ooh, look at that! It's really hard to come off too, so that's a good sign. That means I'm sure it's got some really good staying power. So the next thing I also got is a skincare set from Origins. Like, I love Origins. Like, they have such amazing skincare. So if I'm not using the Josie Maran, I like to switch up my skincare because sometimes you feel like your skin just gets used to a certain skincare. So I like to give it a try and try other ones. This one, let me just put on my glasses so I can see what it comes with. Okay, so this one comes with the ginseng moisturizer for the daytime, and it comes with the Modern Friction Dermabrasion. It comes with the ginseng brightening depuffing eye cream. It comes with the gel moisturizer. It comes with the high potency Night Minutes and the clear mask and drink up intense mask. So it comes with a couple of masks, and it comes with the daytime moisturize, nighttime moisturize, eye cream. So, you know, and I got it on the sale for $45, and it's really nice. That's why I like these like skincare packages, because they're not all like full size and they're not really mini, but it's good to try and see if you like it. And the kit has so much of the products that you can try that, you know, if you really like it, then you can invest in the full size. But even with Origins, like the skincare is not that expensive in prices. So yeah, if you really like, give it a try. Always look for like the gift sets and stuff. I find they're so, it's better in price because you can get the whole thing for $45 when one of these creams alone costs like $45. So yeah, I was excited when I saw that, and I said, oh, that's a great find. So it'll be fun. Also, I picked up, this one is Once Upon a Prime, and this is from First Aid Beauty. So this comes with the little microdermabrasion pads. So this one is if you want to exfoliate your skin, you come with little pads, you exfoliate your skin, and that way your face is nice and smooth and ready for makeup. And then they have the nice beautiful hydrating primer. So the primer just sinks into the skin and your face feels really moisturized, and your foundation just glides so beautifully on it. So I tried the primer, but I haven't tried the little pads, so I'm actually kind of excited to try that. So that'll be fun to try. And the last two things I picked up were from Becca. Now I know this was limited edition, and but they do have the eyeshadow part 2 on there, and I'm so excited to get that too. I love Becca, and I had to pick these up because, oh my god, they never disappoint. And I know when the Jaclyn Hill eye palette came out, a lot of people said that it was chalky and it didn't blend, but I was lucky enough that mine blended so beautifully that I kept it, and I just, ever since then, just fell in love with the, oh, I can't get this out. Let's try the other side. Doesn't want to work with me today. Ah, we got a winner. And look at the packaging. It is so pretty. And the good thing about these two, look how pretty. You can use the highlight on your face. You can use them on your eyes. Let me just swatch one on here. Like, I don't know if you can see that right here. It's so sparkly, so pretty. And yeah, so I mean, I know you can't pick this one up, but they do have a part 2, and it's just as beautiful. And I think they have a couple of mattes in that one, if I remember, and they have a little pop of purple, which I thought was really fun. So yeah, go pick that up. Then I picked up the face one. This one is the highlight and the bronzer and the blush. Now, I know it's limited edition, but I did find it in the store. So I know that some stores still carry it, so I would go check any of your Sephora store to see if you can pick that up, because it's so beautiful. I have the Jaclyn Hill one, the collaboration, and that one is so pretty. But this one actually comes, look at the packaging. Oh my god, how pretty is that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. And look at that. It's got the blush and the highlights and the bronzers. They are so, oops, sorry, I'm blinding you. So pretty and so exciting to try. And I really like their bronzer. Let me just show you that. It's right there on my wrist. It is so pretty. The quality is really good. And like I said, they do have at the Sephora store. I picked it up. Even you can't find it online, but they do have it in the stores. So yeah, that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see any of the looks with any of these eyeshadow palettes, If you want to see anything, tutorial, please let me know. I'd be happy to. And yeah, I know for Valentine's Day I'll be using one of these palettes, and yeah, I'm so excited. Everything was so great, and I hope you get some luck and you do end up finding that face palette from Becca. It is so pretty, and I was shocked when I found it in the store. I was like, ah, because I really wanted it online. It's sold out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Ciao.